Good morning, children. Welcome back to English class. Well, in today's class, we are going to look at binomial pair joined with the conjunction and. So, today I'll tell you what exactly is a binomial pair. A binomial pair is an expression containing two words which are joined by a conjunction and or. The word order of a binomial pair is usually fixed. So what is binomial pair? That is an expression containing two words, means which contain two words which are joined by a conjunction and or, and the word order of a binomial pair is always fixed, like neat and tidy. So, in today's class, we are going to look at binomial pairs which are joined by and. And is a conjunction. So, in today's class, we will do binomial pair which are joined by conjunction and. Neat and tidy. What is the meaning of neat and tidy? Clean, organized. That means not messy, saaf suthra. For example, her house is always very neat and tidy. There is never anything out of place. The order of binomial pair is always fixed. That means we always say neat and tidy. We can't say that tidy and neat. Short and sweet. What is the meaning of this? When something is very quick and to the point, of minimum length and no longer than it needs to be. That means इतना कम जितना ज़रूरत है. That is very quick and to the point. For example, his speech was short and sweet. He just said what he needed to say and he was very quick about it. Up and down. What is the meaning of this binomial pair? Means moving between the same two points repeatedly. दो पॉइंट पर बार बार मूव करना जाना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, we drove up and down the same street 10 times looking for the restaurant. Rules and regulation. What is the meaning of this? Laws, rules, and legislation. The rules and regulations in our school is very strict. Wear and tear. The decrease in value and or quality of something because of its age or a lot of use. Means किसी भी चीज का किसी भी the decrease in value or quality of something. किसी चीज की क्वालिटी में डिक्रीज हो जाना, कमी हो जाना because of its age or a lot of use. For example, the wear and tear on his knees means he can no longer play football at the top level. That means उसकी knees की quality या उसके knees में इतना pain है या उसकी age की वजह से उसके knees अब काम नहीं करते and he can no longer play football at the top level. Spick and span. साफ सुथरा, that is neat, clean and well looked after. I mopped up the kitchen floor so it was neat and clean, or we can say it was spick and span. Give and take means a willingness between two people to understand each other and to let each other have or do some of the things they want. Willingness show करना कि दो लोग एक दूसरे को समझते हैं और वो उसके लिए कुछ करना चाहते हैं या ऐसे कुछ करना जो आप चाहते हैं कि दूसरा भी आपके लिए करे. For example, in any relationship, there has to be some give and take. to and fro. What is the meaning of this? In a constant movement backwards or forwards or from side to side. Constant move करना आगे पीछे side to side. Like she was gazing out of the window, rocking her chair to and fro. Gazing means एकटक होके बाहर देख रही थी विंडो से. शी वॉज गेजिंग आउट ऑफ द विंडो रॉकिंग हर चेयर टू एंड फ्रो. अपनी चेयर की मूवमेंट करते हुए आगे पीछे और फ्रॉम साइड टू साइड. नाउ एंड देन, from time to time, that means that is not regular, that is time to time. They meet up for lunch now and then, but not as often as they used to. Loud and clear, that means very clear and very easy to understand. You don't have to shout. I can hear you loud and clear. Okay, I can hear you loud and clear. That means you are very clear and I can understand what you want to say. Thank you and have a nice day.